Guys, guess what came in for December? Lulus box. Oh my god, is someone gonna zoom in on my... Don't do that. Anyway, this came in. I got it. Should I start this over again? This month is all about dressing for like different holiday parties, different events. One dress, I feel like I wasn't sure how it's gonna look, but I think it's definitely New Year's worthy. But I'll start with this little skirt. Sorry, little skirt. Brown, and has that like blue color that I talked about a few weeks ago. Well, like, I don't know what I have a brown top. We'll see what we'll go with this, but I thought it was a really cute skirt, and definitely with brown tights or icy tights to go with it. Boots would look so nice and cozy, but like a cute outfit. I will style it and you'll see an idea for it. Next is this bodysuit. I love this. I think with jeans is gonna look so good. It is, well, it's kind of sheer. Well, it's not actually that sheer up here. Sheer on like the bottom, and the rest would be tucked in with jeans. This is such a fun top to wear for like if you're going out with friends, or you have that kind of like night out that you're doing a little bit more than just, you know, like maybe you're going to a lounge or something like that. This is that top. Everybody's talking about like going out tops again. There used to be a thing where like you had a closet full of tops that you wore with jeans just to go out. I feel like those are coming back, and something like this is the idea of that. Along those same lines, this is really fun. It is a short sleeve, little silky bodysuit, but it won't look like a bodysuit. Like, it'll look like a little satiny top to wear. But again, it's like so good with a pair of jeans or black pants. This would look nice with. This would look like really nice monochromatically with a pair of ivory pants. I think it would look so good in brown boots. Oh my god, I would love that. I need to put that together. Such a good outfit, but it's a bodysuit, so it stays tucked in and it'll look nice. I'm gonna have to stand up to show this. It's a dress. It's a halter. Eyes in the back, but the whole back is out. I love a dress that has the back out. Short and has like a kind of metallic-y floral pattern to it. Black tights, black heels. Good to go. This next dress is what I think would be maybe good for New Year's, depending on where you're going or what you're doing. I love New Year's. I know a lot of people don't. It's such a fun night. I do, however, get very frustrated easily if I don't have plans for New Year's. But I like going away. I think it's the best option because it kind of doesn't commit you to anything. You're already away. So like if you're in a hotel and they just have like music playing in the lobby, it's fine. This dress, sleeveless dress, it's so cute with super, super, super high heels. It has this like sequiny-ness to it, and then it's a little bit sheer and A-line. It's just like one little A-line type of sheath dress, sort of. Last of the clothing. This is so girly, but I like it. I like girly outfits. It only needs to be ironed. It's so 80s, but I think this would be really fun for like going out to a Christmas party. The bottom has like this lace that comes out of it. It's very like wide and cinched at the waist. An open back, but it kind of laces up like that. Sleeves, I think you could kind of wear off the shoulders too, or like a little puff sleeve on the shoulder, but it's just so adorable and fun. Christmas parties are the only time I feel like of the year that you can get really, really dressed and no one will be surprised by what you're wearing. The final piece that I got would probably was one or two of the dresses. Little double necklace. There's these little diamonds hanging from it. It's obviously costume jewelry and it is adjustable. I'm seeing a lot of these type of necklaces kind of get worn like that, so when they're on your neck you see the two pieces sitting, like 1 and 2. So pretty. Something fun, a good way to maybe do something like if you're not sure and don't want to buy like a really expensive piece of jewelry right away, test it out that way, and then if you really like it, you can get the good one. That's everything. I'll do a try on so you can see how it all looks, pair it and style it together. Love working with Lulus. They're just like a really fun company. They have a lot of good options of clothing. I will link everything on LTK, Like to Know It, and I will also link it on my Shop My, another site that you can go to find links if you can't find them on Like to Know It.